Hi, I'm Junior with Keystone RV Center. Today we're going to be talking about cable slide systems and why you don't come into Keystone and ask if you can be in a video. So, first thing with cable... Say hi, Jeremy. So first thing with the cable drive systems was how do we maintain them? We got that question when we did our other slide video. Now, as far as the slide seals, go back and watch that one. Mark, can you put a link in, like, it'll be up in this corner, won't it? It'll be up here. You can put a link up there for that one. So go back, watch that on how to maintain your slide seals. As far as the maintenance of the cable system, Mark's going to jump up here, and Jeremy has volunteered to be part of our free lighting crew, which meant he had to bring his own lighting. So you can see there's a whole bunch of gear, there's chain-driven systems and cables. Here's what we're going to tell you. Leave it alone. There's not much to do with this. Nothing that we're going to have our customers do on a regular basis. So, take a visual inspection on it before every camping trip. I like to always say 2 weeks prior. That way, if there is an issue, you're done with lighting, buddy. That way, if there is an issue, it gives us a little bit of time. All you're inspecting for is frayed cables. If you see something like that, give us a buzz, 1-800-232-3279, and we'll get you in, and we'll try to get that taken care of before the camping trip. Keep in mind, we don't control the manufacturers and we don't control UPS. That being said, aside from those visual inspections, no lubricant, nothing like that. Leave it alone. If you don't feel comfortable doing the visual inspection at the beginning of every camping season, have us do a quick visual inspection. Understand that situations can change from the time that we look at it to the time there may be an issue, but we'll give it a good once over. Guys, other than that, cable-driven systems are simple. Leave them alone. 1-800-232-3279 is our phone number. Comment down below if you guys have any other questions. This video came out because of the comments that we get on our videos, so please keep commenting. We'll keep doing videos. Have a great day.